Replacing your door is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your home. In Dallas, where homes reflect a wide range of architectural styles, choosing a custom-designed replacement door allows you to enhance curb appeal, improve functionality, and create an entryway that truly reflects your personal taste. One of the biggest advantages of custom door replacement is the ability to match your home's unique style. Whether your home leans modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, a custom door ensures that every detail complements your exterior. Instead of settling for a standard design, you can choose features that align perfectly with your home's architecture, creating a cohesive and polished look. Material selection is a great place to start. Custom doors are available in a variety of materials, including wood, fiberglass, and steel. Each option offers its own benefits. Wood doors provide a timeless, natural look with rich textures and warmth. Fiberglass doors offer durability and low maintenance while mimicking the appearance of wood. Steel doors are known for their strength and security, making them a practical choice for homeowners focused on protection. In Dallas, where heat and weather can vary, selecting the right material ensures your door performs well year-round. Design customization goes beyond materials. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of panel styles, from simple and clean to more intricate, decorative patterns. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern design or a more classic, detailed look, custom panel configurations allow you to create a door that fits your vision. Glass options are another popular feature in custom door designs. Adding glass inserts can enhance both the appearance and functionality of your door. Clear glass allows more natural light to enter your home, creating a brighter entryway. Frosted or textured glass provides privacy while still letting in light. Decorative glass designs can add character and serve as a focal point, making your entryway stand out in your Dallas neighborhood. Color and finish choices also play a major role in customization. A bold front door color can make a strong statement and boost curb appeal, while a more neutral tone can create a refined and elegant look. With custom options, you're not limited to standard colors. You can select finishes that complement your home's exterior, including trim, siding, and landscaping. Additional design elements, such as side lights and transoms, can further enhance your entryway. Side lights are vertical glass panels placed on either side of the door, while transoms are windows above the door. These features not only add visual interest but also allow more natural light into your home, creating a more open and inviting feel. Functionality is just as important as appearance. Custom doors can be designed with energy efficiency in mind, using insulated cores and weather-tight seals to help maintain indoor temperatures. In Dallas, where summers can be especially hot, this can make a noticeable difference in comfort and energy costs. Security is another key consideration. Custom replacement doors can be equipped with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames, providing added protection for your home. This means you can enjoy a stylish entryway without compromising on safety. Proper fit is another benefit of choosing a custom design. Every home is different, and older homes in Dallas may have unique door sizes or frames. A custom door is built to fit your exact opening, ensuring a secure installation that prevents drafts and improves performance. Low maintenance is also a major advantage. Many custom doors are designed with durable finishes that resist fading, cracking, and warping. This allows your door to maintain its appearance with minimal upkeep, saving you time and effort. Ultimately, a custom replacement door gives you the freedom to design an entryway that meets your needs in every way. It enhances your home's appearance, improves efficiency, and adds long-term value. For homeowners in Dallas, investing in custom door design is more than just an upgrade. It's an opportunity to create a welcoming, functional, and visually stunning entrance that you'll enjoy every day.